Hello, my name is Loretta. I am a gardener in Colorado, Zone 5B, and today is the beginning of June. I just would like you guys to show you what is blooming and growing at the beginning of the June, at the end of the May in Colorado. Let's go check. Iris is in the shade, still blooming. Lilies are not ready to bloom yet. Russian sage not blooming yet. Daisy is blooming. Geranium first bloom. This is perennial poppy. Daisies. Columbine. Yarrow. Yarrow is taking off. Pansies are blooming almost 2 months already. They like cool weather, and at the end of the June, July, they will be done. Garden sage, ajuga. It's a shade ground cover. Lamb air. Flowers are not impressive, but it's very good ground cover in a dry Colorado soil. Virginia creeper. It's very nice on our fence, but this plant attracts Japanese beetles. I keep it like a trap. They land on this plant and then I spray. Calendula is blooming. It's an annual plant but can reseed. Anise hyssop is perennial, very nice plant in Colorado soil too. It's not blooming yet, needs like a month from now. Pink yarrow is not blooming yet. They are a little bit, they will bloom a little bit later. But yellow is blooming right now. It's in full bloom. Beautiful. This is our local ground cover. I brought it from mountains. It's pretty strong, maybe even invasive plant, but it's nice ground cover. But I don't know name. Sorry guys. This is larkspur. I would call them like delphinium cousin. Delphinium is nicer flowers, but larkspur, it's very easy to grow. It can seed, sometimes even too much. It's just beautiful weed. I think it's Johnny Papat. Cilantro is ready to bloom. It's almost bolted. We still can eat this cilantro, but it's too much for my family. Snap peas, snow peas, in a full bloom. I seeded them directly to the ground at the end of the March. They will be having some fruit. My wild strawberry, berries are small but very sweet. Another pansy, beautiful. This is celery from last year. Onion chives, potatoes, lemon balm. It's not very invasive, but we have to watch this plant. Like, and is very invasive. See, they can go like 2 foot apart. This is orange, wild spinach. I use it for morning smoothies or scrambled eggs. I have greens in my garden pretty early in the spring to start eating veggies, and orange is like a spinach, just much easier to grow. My volunteers poppies, they seeded by themselves from plant I had last year, and it is between my beds. We had some rain. Flowers are not very happy. It's going to have so many, see, so many. Garlic, we plant them in at the end of October or November, and we will be harvesting them like in July 10th. There is already first escape. I will take them out. I need bulb to grow, not the flower, not the seeds. Tomatoes are in the ground. I let my lettuce bloom and seed, and I have them everywhere. No effort. They just did by themselves. This is arugula. I let it bloom, and I will let reseed. Kale is pretty happy. My marigolds I need to thin and plant in my landscape, in my garden, my flower bed. Kohlrabi, onions from seeds or from little bulbs. Expert says that onion from seeds grows bigger bulbs. We'll see. Squash is pretty happy. Creeping Jenny. Okay, this is what I have in my urban garden in Colorado. It's like June 3rd today. We had rain. We're pretty happy. Plants are happy. Have a good day. Subscribe, like, and I will share more. Happy gardening.